So I'm changing my niche. You know, I started this channel like 3 months ago with the hopes of inspiring retirees, new retirees, to get off their butts, to get outside, to get some fresh air, to relieve stress, you know, and at the same time, to help the planet. Grow some native plants, maybe build and monitor some birdhouses, purple martins, tree swallows. Those are what I do. There's lots of things I do outside for nature, and I was trying to, you know, get retirees to do that. And I might have had some success. And I'm not going to move away from that. I still want to try to encourage retired people to get outside and improve their health and improve the planet. And I'll take every opportunity to try to do that. But what I've found is that most of the people, most of you guys that come to the channel are not necessarily retirees. They're people who enjoy the things that I enjoy looking at insects and butterflies and birds and little animals, you know. So I think I'm going to change direction of the channel. While I still am going to encourage retirees and all people to get out and do some of the things that I do, I'm going to change direction a little bit and focus more on doing things that I know my subscribers like, that my viewers like, and basically the same things that I like. You know, I love looking at nature and animals and flowers and native flowers. And I am very concerned about the environment, and I am very concerned about the direction that things are going, which is not good, you know. And we all need to at least become aware of what's happening to the planet, what's happening right around us, right here in our own backyards, you know. So that's the way we're going to start to move from this point forward. But I'm not giving up on retirees. I want retirees to get involved and do some of these things that can help them. You know, I still feel the same way. I have a lot of friends that, like, I'm well in my 70s at this point, and I'm still able to do quite a bit. I'm lucky, but a lot of my friends just sit at home and they watch cable news and they're angry or they're depressed. You know, got to get outside. You got to get with nature. You got to look how beautiful, even in the degraded situation that we're in today, nature is still beautiful and resilient, and it wants to come back, you know. So hopefully this new direction that we're going keeps my subscribers and my viewers happy, and at the same time encourages everybody, not just retirees, to get outside and enjoy this beautiful planet that we live on, and preserve it for future generations. So with that, I say once again, after 3 months, welcome, and please like and subscribe and let me know the kinds of things that you like. And, you know, if you have retired people in your life that are not happy and don't have any feeling of purpose in their life, then direct them my way, and I'll do whatever I can to help them. So with that, thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.